The metaverse topic is still new to some people, but for some curious and tech-savvy people, metaverse is not a completely new concept. From ancient times, human beings have been looking for ways to meet, socialize, and create certain foundations to bring us together. Our ancestors painted paintings on buildings, smoked signals, and used telegraphs to communicate, used flints to start fires, later came desktop phones. To this day, we have tech like Zoom and Skype. Please make sure you like this video, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Now on to the video. Metaverse opens a new internet page in social interaction. It is a continuation of where we came in terms of interaction with technology. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat have brought us together. We share photos, videos, and information, but we can't share reality with present moments. Metaverse removes that dilemma. Metaverse brings advancement that will bring us together in the virtual world. It removes space and time barriers. The word metaverse was coined by Neil Stephenson in the book Snow Crash, and it originally described a virtual world owned by corporations, where end users were treated as citizens in a dystopian corporate dictatorship. In short, metaverse is a network of 3D virtual worlds focused on social connection. Technologies that make up the metaverse include virtual reality that is characterized by persistent virtual worlds that continue to exist even when you are not playing, as well as augmented reality that combines aspects of digital and physical worlds. There are 3 components to the metaverse infrastructure, including the hardware, VR goggles, AR, etc., computer, servers and conductors, and last one is network including bandwidth, cloud streaming, etc. A lot of companies now build metaverse solutions, from Google, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Nvidia, Epic Games to Facebook, which changes its name to Meta because of the future of the internet. They are joining the metaverse bandwagon with innovative ventures that will shape the future of technology. Some examples of early metaverse inventions are like the ABBA Voyage, which is a virtual concert featuring digital versions of world's biggest pop acts, IKEA's Place app that uses augmented reality technology to place furniture into our rooms so we can see what it'll look like after we buy them, VR game Half-Life that is used in Poland by teachers to teach science lessons, and Nvidia that lets you create the complete architecture of a building in a virtual world, then put your goals and walk around it. But why should we be scared of metaverse? Privacy and security implications. Digital solutions are often associated with concerns regarding privacy and security since they collect data from their users. This data may somehow be used for intrusive online ads and identity theft, so the metaverse might also bring issues pertaining to privacy and security risks to both individuals and institutions, as it will rely on reams of data showing how users interact with their surroundings in fictional worlds or digital workplaces. Access inequality. Majority of people worldwide cannot access fast internet speeds and cannot capitalize on the full potential of the metaverse. How can we make sure that people have equal access to the technology needed to join the metaverse? Many people cannot afford high-end VR headsets, handsets, and connectivity. So, metaverse will bring classes, and it will be a world for the few that can only afford it. Protection for children. We have witnessed how social media has brought a myriad of negative effects on the psyches of children, from cyberbullying to harassment. This situation may be prevalent and more worse than the invention of a wide-open metaverse. They might form unrealistic expectations of reality, including their bodies, houses, and lose real-world social skills, and create more loneliness, bringing them into unknown digital territories, reducing the difference between real and virtual world. Metaverse will pose great negative effects to users that may affect them mentally. Things like VR hangovers, post-VR sadness, and cyber addiction. Metaverse will lead people to withdraw from real-world experiences, and it will highly influence ways in which people perceive real relationships and interactions. Also, people may get desensitized with violence, racism, and misogyny, which may highly affect people entering into the virtual world. People transcend their personalities and become part of a collective consciousness. They play video games and socialize on social platforms, like Facebook, which also has negative side effects like loneliness. With the invention of metaverse, individuals may find it difficult to socially connect with other people in real life, and this could lead to a cascading effect of addiction to digital technology, like anxiety and depression. On a final note, as this progresses, it may fulfill some of the expectations that big tech giants have set, but it may not just help them, but help humans in general. Metaverses have the potential to allow us to work together in more effective ways, but we must be careful to not become desensitized to the devastation they may accompany. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.